If you don't have complete data or prefer not to include all fields in each insert statement, you can specify the field's name after the table, like this. Make sure to include all fields with a primary key and not null constraints to avoid errors. In this example, there are two insert statements. The first one includes all the fields in the table. Run the script. While the second one omits one field, creation date. Run the script. Upon checking the data in the table, hold down on the control key in the table name. Click on the data tab. You'll note that one row doesn't have a value for the creation date. And that's it. You can insert row with a partial data.